Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Big with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let me show you how to make raw vegan ramen. Let's get started. Now, why are we doing raw ramen instead of traditional cooked? Well, me and my cocoa crew are on a 24/5 optional raw vegan fast, so that means we're doing raw foods from Monday through Friday, and we're going to do whole foods cooked on Saturday and Sunday. Of course, you can change it up how you would like. Obviously, this weekend is Memorial Day weekend, and I'm eating what I want. Yeah, so this is a very, we're working toward a lifestyle change and not a diet. So therefore, in real life, parties happen, okay? But anyway, I'm super excited to show you guys how to make this raw vegan ramen. Enough talking, let's get started. All right, y'all, let's make up this broth. We're gonna start off with a half of a bell pepper. Really don't have to de-seed it, but I am obviously gonna take away this stem. And the reason I'm using this bell pepper is because I have it. I have no reason. Same reason we're gonna use, I think this is a poblano pepper. Again, it was in my fridge, so we're gonna throw that in our broth as well. Gonna put about 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. Let's let the ancestors tell us how much garlic to use, okay? All right, I grabbed a bunch out of the bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that might be too much ancestors. Hold on. Let me do another random grab. Come on. Tell me. Okay, we got 4 cloves of garlic, okay? I was like, not 18 now. Not 18. We're gonna use about 1/4 of a purple onion. I didn't realize I was out of ginger, so we only have 1 little knob. That's what we're gonna use. All right, I got pre-squoze juice, but you can definitely squeeze a whole lime in here, which is about 2 tablespoons. Yes, I said pre-squozed. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of miso. I do not recommend soy sauce on a raw diet, but I do not have any coconut aminos. I do apologize. I was not aware. We're only gonna use about 1 tablespoon of this, but use coconut aminos if you have it. Let's add in 2 cups of water. And now we're gonna blend. Okay, y'all, let's give it a little taste. Oh, I'm nervous because I made it up, my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's real good. I like that. All right, let's move on to the walnut meat. Now, me and Cocoa Crew have already had a heart-to-heart about meat and don't laugh, nut meat, okay? I'm not good at making walnut meat, pecan meat, all the meats. It be tasting good, but it still be crunchy. Now, I have soaked these raw pecans for 22 hours. So if this don't work, y'all leave me alone, okay? If it's still crunchy, it's gonna be crunchy. I'm gonna buy from other people, okay? So we finna, let's just make this nut meat. Quit laughing. It's nut meat. I didn't measure this out, so here is 1 cup. All right, so this is roughly 2 cups of soaked pecans. We're gonna add another pepper that was about to go bad, along with 4 more cloves of garlic. The seasoning I put on everything, obviously you can season it the way you would like. And some salt. All right, cross your fingers and let's blend. It's probably not allowed on the raw diet, but I feel like we should have added some Worcestershire sauce. I don't like what color this is. It looks like blended pecans. I need some liquid smoke or something. Y'all know this is a very loose raw diet, so I might do it if I don't like it. All right, smile at it. All right. Still got a little crunch. I do not care. I've already said my truth. But the flavor is good. But I do feel like it needs a little something. I'm gonna add a dash. And I do mean a dash of liquid smoke. It's not gonna change the color. Just gonna give it a little bit of a smoky flavor. But the flavor, baby, I'm not lying to y'all. My walnut meat, pecan meat, nut meat in general be delicious. It will still be crunchy. Boom, we got liquid smoke for any new vegans. This is in the barbecue sauce aisle. Usually on the top-ish shelf, so a lot of people don't notice it until you need it. But all right, don't do too much because it will taste like trash, okay? Just 1. I don't even know if I want to do 2, but I'm gonna do it. That's it. Let's blend again. Well, actually, I don't want to blend again. We're gonna stir it. Just take the blade out. Let's just take the blade out and stir it. That's good. Okay. Oh, that's good. A little spice. What I put in here spicy? Let's go ahead and soak our kelp noodles, and then we done. Well, we can start topping our soup, y'all. Yeah. Here are the noodles I'm using for today. I got this from Whole Foods. If you prefer, you can always use zoodles, which I can't stand, cucumber noodles. You can use soy-free shirataki noodles, but I actually do like kelp noodles. To soften up our noodles, we're going to use some baking soda and some more of that lime juice. Just going to sprinkle some on top, about a tablespoon. And taking that lime juice from earlier, obviously it's going to cause a great little chemical reaction. Ain't that fun? Isn't that fun? Gonna add some water and let that sit for about 5 minutes and it will be soft. Obviously I'm gonna spread the noodles out though. Let's give it a fair chance to get into the chemical reaction. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes and the noodles are pliable now. So we're gonna drain this water and rinse them off to get off that lime and baking soda. Alright y'all, let's build our ramen, starting off with the broth, and then we're gonna add our toppings. Oh, looks like I'm gonna use this whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this whole thing in there. This is bigger than I thought. Just gonna do that. I didn't realize how much green I got, but here we go, that's fine. We got some cilantro, some jalapenos, some green onion from my garden, by the way. This is probably cheating, but I don't care. We got some ginger. Now we're gonna add our pecan meat. I do not like the color of this at all. At all. We got some Nelly frittaki. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is. Alright, it's nori. It's nori flakes. Everybody calm down. I just thought about it. I probably should put the walnut meat in the middle, because now what's gonna go in the middle? I don't know. But I do have some sesame seeds. I'm just gonna put that all over. I'm super upset I don't have any corn. Corn would have been bomb in this, y'all. Oh my god, some raw corn. So good. Alright, there is our vegan ramen. Raw vegan ramen with way too much green in it. And again, some corn would have been bomb in here. If I had some red peppers left, it would have been bomb in here. Y'all, I had got excited. I thought I had found another topping. I thought I had found some kimchi, but baby, it went bad. It says it's not supposed to go bad till August, but it already went bad. I was like, ooh, perfect. It's red, another color. Now I kind of wish I wouldn't have used that whole red pepper for the broth, but it's all good. I just don't like the way it looks. I'm looking at my ramen right now like, baby, it's a lot of green. And we like green, we vegan, but baby, needed some more color in there. But either way, you're gonna get some fresh raw corn to cut up in there, and that's really gonna cut the color and add to the flavor. But all right, enough talking. What does it taste like? What is our raw ramen giving besides good health? Y'all, I was finna blow. Baby, this is not hot, but it's not cold because we just made it. So don't worry about if you was thinking about going raw. Everything don't have to be cold. This is room temperature. Just pretend you got it from the Chinese spot and you let it cool down, okay? I'm still finna blow it. That's a crazy habit. Crazy, okay? Y'all, that broth is good by itself. I ain't even had nothing else in it. There's some walnut meat in there, some jalapeno, little ginger. We got a lot of toppings on here. It's just ugly, okay? That is so good. Oh my gosh. Let me try the green onion now. I really want to mix it up, but I don't want to mess it up. Hey, okay? Green onion, walnut meat, a little cilantro, a little dip of that. Oh. Make this and tell me I'm lying. Make it. I ain't scared. Make it. This is so good. Oh, this is so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. Honestly, it's not a lot of calories, is it? This is so, okay, I keep saying it's so good. Okay, let me tell y'all bye. Okay, I lied, I'm back. This is all I could do, y'all. I ate all the noodles out. I am well, okay, there go a noodle right there. I am stuffed. I just want y'all to know I could not finish, which is good, because now I got soup for tomorrow. But I gotta go get some more kelp noodles. But anyway, point is, no, actually, hold on. Although I don't have any more kelp noodles for tomorrow, I do have these shirataki noodles. Now, I have never eaten these raw, as in I've never not put these in water. These are the soy-free ones. They are 0 calories, 5 carbs. Ooh, y'all, I'm so full. 0 fat, no sugar. Basically, ain't nothing in here but 5 grams of carbs. What is it made by? It is water, konjac flour, and calcium hydroxide, okay? I'm probably gonna still boil them. I know, that ain't raw, Aaron. Look, we had the end of the video. I showed you the raw version. Because it say on the package, drain and rinse, boil for 2 to 3 minutes, or microwave for 1 minute. See, it don't say eat these raw. Y'all let me know in the comments, okay? Let me know in the comments what I should do with these. Because I'm a little nervous to just eat these raw and I never did it before. But it is soy free, just whatever. These are alright. Okay, now I'm finna tell y'all about fruit. Girl, as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.